found a spot for it. He found a spot for that. Oh, there's pirate treasure in that there booty box. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, I know. Yeah, they got an angle band there to hold the shit on it. Like, this thing's old. Covered in asbestos. And we gotta take it out. Make sure you breathe deep on this one. Is the oil tank in that room over there? The oil tank's over there? Alright. Here, let me see if I can sneak past you here. I won't fart. Thing is old as fuck. We gotta take this thing out today. What a mess. Thing is heavy as fuck. Asbestos on everything. Motor, like it's all heavy as fuck. That's why I don't do plumbing or boilers. Take the door off. We're trying to get the core of it out now. Pretty much had to take the railing off, take the door off. They got to cut another piece off because the one part in the front has a no bottom, so we can't put the hand cart there. The other part is got a big ass piece bowing out, so we're trying to cut that off now, but it seems to be working. So, but yeah, this is a nightmare. But once we get that out, I mean, the other boiler is tiny compared to this disaster, and of course the soot smells great. Yeah, as I was saying, I said you can make a pizza oven out of this thing. Oh, jeez. There's the little guy. It's funny, we take something that big out and we put something this small in. Time to go to the next job. Magic pad. Do magic pad.
Need a drill.
That's what happens when you use a drill though.
Bring your tools up and start working.
Nah, I'll work tomorrow. Oh boy. This is a moldy door that was in the room, or his water heater's behind this door. Like, just, that is insane. I thought it was artwork. It's legit mold. the old Magic Pack, which if you look right here, like look at that, dude. That is like a legit hole right into it, and it's the whole thing is just completely trash. These things fucking wear out so quickly. But yeah, we got the pretty much the exact same one going in now. It's already in actually. You guys saw in the first clip, but yeah, these things. Yeah, I still can't believe I've never seen one in a hole where I can stick my pinky in the fucking thing. All right, all done. Magic Pack. Just got to straighten all this shit up and put this door back on, and we'll be out of here.